Hello guys. In recent years, the world of e-commerce has witnessed a revolutionary business model now as dropshipping. This innovative approach has transformed how enterprises start and manage their online storage, eliminating the need for inventory management, upfront investment, and complex logistics. In this video, we will explore the concept of dropshipping, its benefit and challenging, and its evolving role in the modern business landscape. Let's begin. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller does not keep any physical product in stock. Instead, the seller partners with supplier or wholesaler who handle the inventory and shipment process. When a customer places an order on the seller online store, the seller transfers the order detail to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. As a result, the seller does not have to handle the product directly, allowing them to focus on marketing, customer services, and driving sales. The benefit of dropshipping: low startup cost. One of the major advantages of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. Traditionally, retail model requires significant upfront investment in inventory, warehouse, and fulfillment infrastructure. With dropshipping, enterprises can launch an online store with minimum financial risk, since they have only purchased product from supplier and receiving order from customer. Flexibility and scalability. Dropshipping offer tremendous flexibility for business owners, since they do not need to manage inventory. Enterprises can experiment with a wide range of products without the risk of being stuck with unsold items. Additionally, drop shipping allows for easy scaling as the business grows, with supplier handling the increasing volume of order. Wide product range. Drop shipping enables seller to offer a vast array of product without the need for physical storage space. Enterprises can create their product catalog from multiple suppliers, providing customers with a diverse selection to choose from. Location independence. The online nature of dropshipping enables enterprises to run their business from anywhere with an internet connection. This freedom allows for a flexible lifestyle and the opportunity to tap into global market. Challenging and strategies for success. Intense competition. Dropshipping has gained popularity, leading to increased competition in various niches. To stand out, enterprises must focus on identifying unique product offering, developing store strong branding, and providing exceptional customer service. Supplier reliability. Relying on supplier for product quality and timely shipping can be challenging. Thoroughly researching and vetting supplier, establishing clear communication channel, and regularly monitoring their performance can mitigate these risks. Profit margin and pricing. Since the seller does not have control over the product cost, pricing become a crucial critical factor in dropshipping. Balancing competitive price while maintaining healthy profit margin require careful consideration and ongoing optimization. Customer experience. As the face of the business, seller must prioritize provide a positive customer experience. This including efficient order processing, timely and accurate communication, and properly resolving any issue. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more amazing content.